ko, mananong salita kasi iyak ko inausap. So, ayun, congrats kuya and ate. Worth it lahat ng pagod and effort. Finally, congrats. Ano ba? Despite ng mga nangyari, tuloy na tuloy pa din. Ito na nga, ate, welcome sa family. Kuya, siyempre, dapat talaga may ginig kay ate kasi lagi kami naman. Yun lang. Congrats ulit.
Alright. Yun na rin ba yung message ni Mommy? Alright. Ano yung maging sasabihin mo ba kayo? Okay na daw yun. There you go. Palakpakan naman natin one more time. Round members of our group. Now, ladies and gentlemen, eto na. While we are preparing the cake and the wine toasting, we're now going to pick the winners of our raffle. So, ito po yung lahat ng message sa ating couple. So, once natawag mo namin ang pangalan nyo, please raise your hand. Lalapitan po kayo ng ating coordinators to give your